Hey, it's Christy with Editor Creations, and thanks for visiting my channel. And today I'm going to do a quick tutorial that is going to show you how to use the bulk create feature in Canva. It's a really powerful feature, and I'm going to show you the steps to do that. So the first thing you want to do is create your template and create your design, because you need to have this ready before we add the CSV file that we're going to create inside of ChatGPT. So we're going to need both those tools, both Canva and ChatGPT, and I'll show you where we start. All right, so first thing you want to do, once you've got your text ready to go, you're going to go inside of ChatGPT. So once you're in here, you can use ChatGPT. You can create your own quotes yourself, but this is just going to make it a whole lot quicker. So I gave it the prompt to create 30 short inspirational quotes for digital creators and marketers. So it came up with these quotes, and so that it's good. They're nice short quotes, which is what I want for this. And then I told it to create a table for these quotes and remove the quotation marks. So once I did that, it took the quotes from up here and it created this table. So then what you want to do is you want to download this table, and this saves you the step of having to go into Google Sheets and create a separate sheet. Just do everything right inside of ChatGPT. It's going to make it a lot easier. All right, so then we're going to go back into our design, move this over here, and we're going to go into apps, and you're going to look for the app called Bulk Create. If it doesn't come up right away, then just type in bulk. All right, so there it is, Bulk Create, right? So that's the one we want. And this little thing is going to pop up here, and you're going to either enter data manually or upload data. We're going to upload data because we have the file we need, so we're going to upload that. And then we're going to connect the dots. All right, so we're going to go into the design, and we're going to go right click, and connect data. All right, so then it's going to bring up our option there, which is quotes. And so once it turns like light purple there, we know it's connected, and you can click continue. Then you're going to see all the quotes that we uploaded that are going to show up here. So I just generated 10 designs, and so off we go. Once you click create, it's going to create a new template. It's going to have the words bulk in front of it, so you'll know that this is the template. And here you go. You now have all those quotes that I created in that file. Isn't that something? So, and this is just 10. You could create as many as you want. You could create for 30, 10, however many days, 90 days if you want. And you may need to go in and edit, the way the text is, but it's going to save you a lot of time in comparison to trying to do this manually. So then all you would have to do is you could just change up the photos. You can have different backgrounds. Oops, here we go. You could have different backgrounds and make it your own. So you get the idea. All right, so I hope that helps. So basically, first step, start with your design, have your text ready to go, and then you're going to go into ChatGPT, tell it what kind of quotes you want and how many for how many days, and then you'll create your table, download that table, and then upload it into your design. All right, so if you have any questions, and also I'll put those two prompts that I used inside of ChatGPT, so you could use it for reference, but then you would just tweak it to whatever it is that you're trying to create. So again, thanks for joining me today, and have an awesome day. See you next time.